Hello and welcome everyone. First of all, a very happy new year to all the viewers of Hobby Lobby. May this new year brings immense joy and happiness into your lives. So let's begin with today's video. It's about 5 minutes KHOYA recipe. KHOYA is a dairy product widely used in Indian sweets and curries, which is made of dried whole milk or milk thickened by heating in an open iron pan. Now its kind can range from being hard to soft to granular. Earlier I showed you traditional method of preparing KHOYA, but that process is lengthy, and so today I'll show you the second method of preparing KHOYA within 5 minutes. And yes, you can either make it semi-sticky or in granulated form. So let's prepare it. For this you will need 1 cup of milk powder, 1/4 cup of whole milk and a teaspoon of clarified butter or ghee. First, in a pan add milk and ghee and let it boil once. And then immediately put the flame down. In a bowl add milk powder and also add warm mixture of milk and ghee. Mix it with the help of a spoon. Now here you can see the semi-stick Mawa is ready in just 2 minutes. If you want it to be granulated, let it rest for 10 more minutes. After 10 minutes, it will harden. Then you can mash a little to make it granulated. So here is our instant Mawa or KHOYA, which can be used in numerous recipes. Watch my next video to see what I am going to do with this Mawa. So friends, that's all for today. If you have any suggestions and comments, then please write to us in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.